Hey guys, guess who's back? Me. So today I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to revamp my kids' closet. They will be starting school next month, so that's really soon. And I am going to turn that messy closet into a school supply closet for them. I want everything to be organized, nice and neat, easy for them to have access to their school supplies and anything else that they need. Also, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And hit that notification bell up there in the right hand corner so you don't miss out on any other videos that I will be posting, okay? But anyway, let's get into this video. You can see, guys, my kids have a lot of books, and I got rid of a lot of them because they were damaged, but I'm going to organize these according to their size, if they're paperback books, hardcover books, and things of that nature. Here are all the items that I bought from Target, Walmart, and I got a few things from Dollar Tree. Those erasers are from Target. They are so cute. Got some trays, glue sticks, crayons, markers, coloring paper, those little things right there. I will explain those later. They are so cute. Also, I got these little bins, and I got those from Dollar General, guys. Yes, Dollar General. So everything here is budget friendly, and yeah, here I go. So now I'm about to put in all the games and the kids' school supplies. So let's get busy. Guys, isn't these cute? It's a donut and a basketball. But the kids can clip this on their book. Let me turn it on. Look at that. That's the light. And then the bottom down here is the little clip. This is the basketball one. So cute, right? It goes like that. I got these from Target right in the dollar section. So as soon as you walk inside of Target, it should be right there in the front. And they have different kinds. I got the donut and I got the basketball for my son. You clip it on their book and they can use this light while reading. Super, super cool. So now I have everything out of the boxes and I have it organized into the containers and stuff of where I wanted everything to go. So now I am about to place everything inside of the closet and I'll show you guys the final look. Alright guys, I am finally done. As you've seen before, that closet was a disaster, but now it looks so good. Guys, that closet has a brand new makeover. That closet is the bomb now. But anywho, I am done. So I am ready to show you guys what I have done to my kids' closet. And yeah, so guys, remember what it looked like before. This is how it was looking at first. And now this is how it looks. Up here I have all the games, Uno cards, Monopoly, this other Monopoly Dora game. On the second shelf, I just have a couple of notebooks and some folders, some construction paper. Kids love drawing on construction paper. And then I have a little plant here for, you know, decor purposes. On the third shelf, I have some Play-Doh in there and some more little art and craft items. Glue sticks in that little basket. In this basket I have some sticky notes, some of the kids' erasers, and some scissors. This is my son's little basket. This is an electric pencil sharpener, so they will need that for sure. And this little container is just some pencils, index cards, rulers, pencil cases. And this little basket, of course, this is Stassi's basket. And again, sticky notes, scissors, her book light, and some beautiful erasers. Glue sticks again. And then in this container, it's just some more art stuff, you know, paint, and what is that? Paint palettes. So yeah, just paint and stuff like that. Then on this shelf, I have, you know, markers, coloring pencils, crayons, as you can see, some cute little pencils, dry erase markers, and then in the back I have all of her coloring books. I also picked up a little journal for her to use because I want my kids to start journaling at an early age. So this will give her the opportunity to write down her thoughts, how she's feeling, you know, that day, you know, what she wants to do, or if she just wants to write down some little words or whatever. Same thing for my son. Pencils, markers, dry erase markers, crayons, coloring pencils, his coloring books, and of course his journal. It says yes, stickers inside. So his journal has stickers. And then at the bottom are all of their books. I got rid of a lot of books because some books were just a mess. Pages were missing, stains on the book covers. Yeah, just bogus. So I got rid of those. And I put them in these bins, and it looks so cute and organized. So hopefully this can stay. It can stay like this, but I doubt it. But at the moment, it's really cute, very organized, looks very, very nice. I got the kids' new book bags over here in the corner. And I might add some extra shelving over here in this corner. I don't know yet, but yeah. So you come on over to the door. This is what I want them to use daily. So when they come home from school, they can write down their homework assignments Monday through Friday. Today we are thankful for, so they will fill out that box in the morning when they wake up, you know, just to be thankful that they woke up today. Be thankful that they can see, they can breathe. You know, those little things are important that we do take for granted. So I thought that was really cute for them. Things to do. And then also today is, and they can also put the date right there, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. These little notes here, it's just, you know, little things they can write down. Don't forget my book bag. Don't forget my lunch. Don't forget my computer, my laptop. And then at the bottom, I have some dry erase boards. So they can just pretty much be free with that. They can draw on that, draw faces, little words, numbers, things they don't want to forget as well. But yeah, I thought that was really cute. So I put that on the door because I didn't want to leave it empty. I might add something else to the bottom, like some, I don't know, some door hangers. I think that's what it's called, or the little things you hang on the door. It's like little pouches or inserts that they can put stuff in there. Like whatever they want to put in there, they can just put that in those little inserts. I don't know yet, but that's what I'm thinking about. But yeah, guys, this is my closet. Well, this is the kids' school supply closet. So guys, let me know, how did I do? I think it's really cute. I love it. It's so organized. It's aesthetically pleasing. And yeah, I think the kids will like this. They haven't seen it yet, but of course they will see it soon. But that is it, guys. This is my kids' school organized closet. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Find me on Facebook at Tierra Fleming. My Instagram, Tierra Fleming. What else? My blog, Tierra Fleming. I need to update that though. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned. Hit that bell so you don't forget my next videos. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.